Alrighty, today's high temperature got all the way up to 78 degrees, which isn't too bad considering how we're still technically in winter. So this is the highest temperature that we've seen all year thus far, and it's also the highest temperature the metro's seen since mid-October, so not too bad. Taking a live look right now at our Concho cam. Sun's getting ready to set. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. Temperature out there is only 68 degrees, so it's starting to cool down a little bit. As far as the rest of the temperatures go for the metro area, we got 72 in Edmond, same thing in War Acre, 73 here in the metro, and then 72 down in Norman and Midwest City. As far western metro areas go, we got 66 in Kingfisher, same thing for Okarche, and then 66 down in El Reno. As far as temperatures go for the rest of the state, we got 72 in Enid, 74 up in Ponca City, 73 in Stillwater. So it's really nice outside right now. As far as the lows go for tonight, we'll have 47 in Enid, same thing down in Lawton, 52 down in Ardmore, and only 49 in Stillwater. Now here in the metro, we'll bottom off tonight around 50 degrees. That's also where we'll start off tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow morning around 50, but by mid-afternoon we should get up into the 70s, and tomorrow we'll top off by 79, so we will beat that record that we had today. And as far as the highs for the rest of the state goes, like I said, we'll have some 80s across the area. We'll have 80 in Stillwater, also have some 80s down in far southwestern Oklahoma, 78 in Clinton, 73 in Stillwater. But what we're mainly looking at is going to be this cold front that's going to be moving through the state up in the northwest, as the temperatures up here are only going to be in the mid to high 60s. And what that cold front's going to be doing is it'll start moving through the state around 1 o'clock, and as it moves through the state, it should get here in the metro area around 5 o'clock. And what that's going to do is that's going to be bringing some strong northerly winds with it. Now for the winds tomorrow, they will be fairly strong coming from the south, but as that cold front starts moving through, those southerly winds will start shifting and turning north, and that's when they'll start increasing with speed. As we got some 40s up in Enid, and then as it moves completely through the state, that's when we see these strong northerly winds for a majority of the state, as we got high 40s, and then maybe in some places we'll have 50s. So that's going to be the big story for tomorrow. And as far as the highs go for Wednesday, they will start bringing down a little bit. We got 52 in Enid, 55 in Lawton, and only 54 here in the metro area. Now as far as what we're looking at here for the forecast for the 7-day here in the metro, like I said, tomorrow will start off around 50 degrees, not too bad. The main story for tomorrow is going to be the wind, but we will beat that 78 degrees that we saw today, so that's going to be really nice. And as far as the next 3 days go, like I said, Wednesday, we will come back down to earth a little bit. We'll get down to 54, but it will rebound nice. It'll only last for about a day, as Thursday gets back up to 65. And then Friday is going to be another beautiful day as it gets up to 68. And then heading into the weekend, Saturday, we do have a 20% chance of precipitation, but it should get up to around 72. And then Sunday is going to be another nice day as it gets up to 65. So it's going to be a great weekend, folks. Make sure you get outside. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.